This video is about operating systems on handheld devices and personal computers. With all the technological devices springing like mushrooms, no wonder we get confused with all the choices we have in front of us. With personal computers and handheld devices looking awfully similar yet different, how can you distinguish them from each other? Personal computers such as desktops and laptops could either have Windows operating system or Mac operating system. Apple's computer hardware is made by Apple itself, while others are made by Dell, Lenovo, Samsung, HP, Sony, and many others, and they have Windows operating system installed on them. Both operating systems have a different look but basically similar in layout. Windows has a start screen with tiles and the desktop with taskbar and icons. When you open up programs such as Word or Excel, they open up on their own windows that you can resize and move around. While in Macs, you see something similar to the taskbar, only it is called Dock. The menu bar is on top of the screen with an Apple's logo. Mac also uses icons on its screen. And when you open up programs, they also open up on window that you can resize and move around. Let us look at another operating system. Linux operating system is used mostly in computer servers like this. Linux has the same look and feel as the other two operating systems. It uses icons, taskbar, and opens up application in Windows that can be resized and repositioned. Linux is an open source software, meaning it is free for all to use. On the other hand, handheld devices have their own operating systems as well. They too have similarities. Once you get yourself familiar with one, you'd be able to find your way easily with other operating systems in other devices. Let us take a look at one. Looks familiar? This is Android, the operating system popular on tablets and smartphones by Google. Other popular devices are iPhones, iPads, and iPods, and they all have iOS as their operating system. It looks very similar to Android. It uses apps and menus. BlackBerry is another smartphone with a different look. It has the BlackBerry operating system, but notice that it uses icons as well. Across all these platforms, icons, menus, and home buttons are most similar to all. The hardware may be produced by different companies and may have different operating systems installed on them, but the layout is pretty much the same. And once you get yourself familiar with how they operate, you will be in good shape. Now that you know operating systems on mobile devices and personal computers, you are now ready to move on to the next video.